You remember that last video that you guys saw? Well, today I'm going to do part 2. I'm only at daylight because you can see things much more better. So let me time to get ready and I'll be ready. Alright, I'm all ready. Let's go do this. This is just too bright. Give me a few minutes. Alright. I'm outside now. He's gonna ride a motorcycle. And this is the motorcycle I was talking about. You can see it better. Oh gosh. Driving away. I just try to get as close as I can. Can't get that close. He is so far. He's so far that I can't even capture where he is in the camera. Maybe you can kind of see it. Yeah, he's right there. I know that car over there. Oh, he's over there now. Wow. I swear if Andy crashes this thing, he is bad at driving. I swear. I swear if he does crash this thing, he's a bad driver. Alright. It's back here. I think it's really nice. Well, looks like it ran out. Okay. Wait, did you just say carnival? So will I be able to drive this thing? I mean, am I able to ride this thing now?
By yourself? I don't think so.
No, I mean like driving somewhere.
Stop for the thing spinning. Big boy. You want me to keep going? I will go. It's fine, huh?